Good morning to all of you. You are welcomed at YouTube channel VS Bura at the rate of Geology. MCQ question number 38 is present on the screen. Which of the following features characterize the puffs of the polytene chromosomes of Drosophila? Chromomeres are arranged side by side. They are the sites of gene transcription. They are indivisible by exon. They are the regions of active protein synthesis. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. First of all, see the structure of polytene chromosome. It is polytene chromosome, upper side, this one. It is formed by the linear arrangement of replicated multiple times, a large number of times, thousand times replication of the DNA at S phase of interphase uh, during mitosis. Result in formations of side by side alignment of these DNA molecules, and these DNA molecules itself are highly coiled and result in formation of chromonimeta. On the chromonimeta, there is a linear arrangement of dark bands. These are chromomeres. These chromomeres are highly coiled DNA molecules, and these arranged side by side result in formations of band and interband. It is band and it is interband. You see such structure at this site, this one. These DNA molecules, these are highly coiled, this one, these are coiled and arranged side by side. These are these are separated with the help of condensin proteins. But cohesin protein is responsible for their tight packing and result in their more coiling, that is this one structure. It is the chromomere. These chromomere having in between the chromomere there is uncoiled chromosomes or loosely packed, that is the DNA molecules. It is called interband. This one interband and this one it is band. Interband, it is euchromatin, and that is the band region, it is the heterochromatin. These band and interband structure are easily observed under the microscope. Now we see the structure of puff, as in question it is present. What is the puff? Puff, it is the highly expressed gene. You know, each dark band, it is a type of gene site. That is, it represents an gene, and that is the band formation. Band, these are formed by the side by side alignment of the chromomere. It means there are a large number of genes of the same type at this region. These genes amplify or replicate multiple times with the help of repeated fork firing. Repeated fork firing, that is a single DNA strand, it replicate, and in this way it is result in formation of a swelling at the dark band side on polytene chromosome and result in formations of puff. That is, puff are the site where an active gene are present which are highly transcribable and produce a large number of mRNA molecules. Are these molecules or mRNA molecules are trapped at this site or puff region. These mRNA molecules are used at the time of development of the organisms. As you see in this structure, DNA replicated DNA, and from this replicated DNA there is the formations of large number of mRNA molecules. This one mRNA, each strand replicates transcribe mRNA molecules. But when there is a large requirement of a particular type of protein to be formed for to gains a large amount of protein concentration, these gene amplify, and in this way amplify and results in formation of multiple copies of the single genes, and ultimately it result in formations of puff. And at this site, these DNA molecules, which is highly complex, highly compact, it uncoil and result in formations of rings, and these rings are known as Balbiani rings. When you see a polytene chromosome at certain site, it is highly constricted. Suppose at this site it is highly constricted. It is due to under replication, that is at this site DNA is less replicated, and number of copies of DNA molecules which are arranged side by side, these are less in number. At this site, that is structure of this type is formed. This one, it may be breakable, and it results in breakage of the fragments of polytene chromosome. These band interbands, dark or light bands, these are observed on the polytene chromosome first of all in 1881 by Balbiani in salivary glands of the insects. Now, the activation of these formation, puff formation at the dark band site, it is under the control of specific type of hormone, that is the ecdysone, which having another hormone that is known as mm, another hormone, juvenile hormone. It is antagonistic hormone. Ecdysone hormone having antagonistic hormone, that is the juvenile hormone. These both hormones are antagonistic and work against each other, and their balance in the tissue result in formations of molting of the larva, and larva molt from first instar to last fifth to sixth instar. Now, there are the regions of active protein synthesis. They are regions of active protein synthesis means polytene chromosome are the regions where the protein synthesize. No, it is wrong. Protein synthesis occur at the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the region or the site where protein are synthesized. And in nucleus, polytene chromosome is present in nucleus. Ecdysone hormones move toward the nucleus via nuclear pore and responsible for the activation of certain types of gene which are present, result in formation or amplified to form the puff. Hence, the answer of our question, it is the A, that is chromomere are arranged side by side. Yes, these are arranged side by sides, chromonymata, and these are chromomere. These chromomere arranged side by sides in polytene chromosome. These are the site of gene transcription. Each chromomere, that is the formations of band, dark band, having a specific site for a particular type of gene, and these are the site of gene transcription. They are inducible by ecdysone. Yes, these are controlled by ecdysone hormone, which is responsible for their activation or inactivation. Hence, answer A is true of the question. Thank you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe the YouTube channel VS Bura @ Zoology. Soon meet in the next video. Thank you.